Again, Kevin Culp back at you, PM Head of Cloud Management Solutions here at Supermicro, continuing our podcast on installation of a bare metal host for an SCC appliance in air gap mode with a 1 NIC architecture. So in the previous video, we basically chose the option 5, which is the setup of the PODM database itself and also installation of the pod controller. And you can see here that we've ran an Ansible script here in the background to be able to deploy each of our instantiations or our basically containers. So I'm going to scroll up here and we can look at some activity here that what we just completed. So remember, we provided a password here, which was a backdoor to get into our global admin account. And then we continued on building our database cluster with Ansible by gathering facts and information, and then starting to basically build each of the DB1 and DB2 databases and starting to set up our environment to be successful where our SCC GUI container can ride on top of a Kubernetes framework. So we're just about there. So thanks for sticking with me. The last and final stage is option number 6, which is basically here let's go and look at it here first. So we're going to back up the menu option to the main menu, and then we're going to choose option number 6, which is the last and final stage of installing SCC K8s Submodules. So we can choose 6 here, and then we'll continue on with the last phase of our installation. Just about there. Let's do it. Let's go for it. All right. So we're continuing on with this particular phase here, which is basically creating and setting up our repository charts for different types of databases, which is Redis, Prometheus. And so now we're basically setting this up in our repository submodules. So we'll let this continue to cook in the background and execute. So once this is completed, then at that point, we're going to be provided a URL where we can actually connect into the container image of the web GUI. We'll launch that. We'll show you how we launch that from an existing GUI. So just about there. And so again, thanks for sticking with me. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you across the aisle. Thank you.